Hello traders. Welcome to KP Technical.
For continuation candlestick patterns, if a candlestick pattern doesn't indicate a change in market direction, it is what is known as a continuation pattern. These can help traders to identify a period of rest in the market when there is market indecision or neutral price movement. Doji: when a market's open and close are almost at the same price point, the candlestick resembles a cross, a plus sign. Traders should look out for a short to non-existent body, with wicks of varying length. This doji's pattern conveys a struggle between buyers and sellers that results in no net gain for either side. Alone a doji is neutral signal, but it can be found in reversal patterns such as the bullish morning star and bearish evening star. Spinning top: the spinning top candlestick pattern has a short body centered between wicks of equal length. The pattern indicates indecision in the market, resulting in no meaningful change in price. The bulls sent the price higher, while the bears pushed it low again. Spinning tops are often interpreted as a period of consolidation or rest following a significant uptrend or downtrend. On its own, the spinning top is a relatively benign signal, but they can be interpreted as a sign of things to come, as it signifies that the current market pressure is losing control. Falling three methods: three-method formation patterns are used to predict the continuation of a current trend, be it bearish or bullish. The bearish pattern is called the falling three methods. It is formed of a long red body, followed by three small green bodies, and another red body. The green candles are all contained within the range of the bearish bodies. It shows traders that the bulls do not have enough strength to reverse the trend. Rising three methods: the opposite is true for the bullish pattern, called the rising three methods candlestick pattern. It comprises of three short reds sandwiched within the range of two long greens. The pattern shows traders that, despite some selling pressure, buyers are retaining control of the market.
For more stock market updates, subscribe KP Technical.